In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create clickable text on CardSite. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can follow along even if you're new to Card. Start by heading to card.so and signing into your account. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard where all your sites live. Pick the site where you want the clickable text to appear. On its card, click the pencil icon to open the editor. This takes you into the build view, where you can add and edit elements on your page. Inside the editor, look for the Add button. It usually appears as a plus icon along the side or bottom toolbar, depending on your layout. Click Add to open the list of elements you can insert. From that list, choose Links. This creates a container designed for link items, which is perfect for making clean, clickable text. After the links element appears on your canvas, click Link to add your first individual link inside that container. Now you'll see the settings panel for this link. Under Label, type the text you want people to click. Make it short, clear, and descriptive so visitors know exactly what they're getting. For example, Portfolio, Contact, or Read the Guide are helpful labels. Keep capitalization consistent with the rest of your site for a polished look. Next, move to the URL field and paste the address you want the clickable text to open. Be sure to include the full URL, starting with HTTPS to avoid broken links. If you're linking to another page on your card site, paste that page's full link as well. A quick tip: copy the URL directly from your browser to avoid typos, and double check that there aren't any extra spaces before or after the link. When your label and URL look right, click Done. Card will add the clickable text to your page inside the links element. You'll see it update immediately in the editor. From here, you can position the links block where you want it on the page, and you can later adjust styling such as font, color, size, and spacing from the element settings so it matches your design. If the link doesn't respond in the editor, that's normal. You can still verify it by hovering to see the URL preview or by checking for obvious mistakes in the address. That's it. You've added clickable text to your card site quickly and cleanly. Save your changes when you're happy and you're ready to share your link with visitors.